Okay, practical is RLC series circuit. Okay, now in which we have to need three parameters. First parameter is resistance, inductance and capacitance. Okay, then here this is the we have to need supply voltage. Okay, then here this is the R, L and C. Okay, now this is the circuit is here. It will be depends on supply. Okay, now here we have to need supply, and this supply it will be depends on your design circuit. Okay, now this is the important concept is here. Okay, now here this is the circuit diagram is here. Okay, then here the aim is to study RLC series circuit. Okay, then in which we have to need apparatus, then we have to need RLC series circuit 1, then AC emitter. It is we have use here AC supply. It is we have to need AC emitter is 1. Then here digital multimeter, that is AC voltmeter range is 0 to 300 volt. Then in which we have to need several pre-lap question, that is impedance. Impedance means Z is equal to R plus JXL. Okay, now this is the important formula for impedance. Then power factor, that is cosine angle between voltage and current. Then here we have to need impedance, inductive reactance, inductive capacitance and power factor. These are the four important parameters. It will be important in RLC series circuit. Okay, now here we have to need important parameter is here. Then this circuit consists of resistance, inductance and capacitance. Okay, now here we have used AC supply is here. Okay, then here resistance R, L, C. Then voltage across resistance VR, VL and VC. Okay, now here this is the circuit diagram for RLC circuit. Here we have to need voltage V is equal to Vm sin omega t. Okay, now this is the important circuit is here. Then here Z is the known impedance of the circuit, that is Z is equal to R plus J XL, but here both are present. L is here, capacitance is here. Okay, now these are the two parameters. It will be very important in RLC circuit. Okay, then here okay, now here V is equal to Vm sin omega t, that is I is equal to V by Z. Then Z is called as impedance of the circuit. Then Z is equal to R plus J into bracket XL minus XC. Okay, then here magnitude of impedance is equal to Z square. This we obtain Z square is equal to R square plus XL minus XC square. Okay, then Z is equal to obtain under root R square plus XL minus XC whole bracket square. Okay, now this is the important concept is here. Then here XL means inductive reactance, that is XL is equal to obtain formula. XL is equal to 2 pi f L. Okay, then XC is called as 2 pi FC. But what 2 pi FC? Then inductance measured in Henry, capacitance measured in Farad. Okay, now here also in which we have to need XL is greater than XC, then first is value of XL is greater than XC, then this circuit is called as inductive circuit. Inductive circuit. Okay, then here value of XC is greater than XL, then called as capacitive circuit. Capacitive circuit. This is the important differences here. Okay, now here this is the important concept is here, but also in which we have to need power factor. Okay, then here formula for power factor is R is equal to Z cos phi. Okay, now this is the important formula. It will be needed in RLC series circuit. Okay, now also in which we have to need several parameters like voltage across resistance, voltage across inductance, and voltage across capacitance. Okay, then also in which we have to need dimmer state. What is the function of dimmer state? Then dimmer state vary voltage V. Okay, then this is the procedure is here, and also this is the important circuit diagram. Okay, then here this is the resistance R is here, then inductance L is here, then capacitance C is here, then here VR, VL and VC is here. Then here voltage across okay, then here this is the VR, VL, VC, then voltage across R and L, that is VR, then total voltage across VR, VL, VC is here. Now here single phase 230 volt 50 Hz single phase AC supply, that is waveform is here. Okay, then here this is the ammeter connect current flowing through RLC circuit. Okay, then here this is the voltmeter is here, and this voltmeter measure voltage across VR, VL, VC, VRA and VT. Okay, now here this is the circuit diagram of RLC series circuit. Okay, then here we have to measure observation table. Then first here this voltage, that is voltage is measure V, then current is here, then VR is here, then VL is here, then VRL is here and VC is here. That means in series RLC circuit we have to measure voltage volt, current ampere, voltage across resistance VR measured in volt, voltage across inductance is VL measured in volt, then voltage across resistance inductance it will be measured in volt, and voltage across capacitor, that is VC, it will be measured with the help of voltmeter, it is volt. Okay, that is unit of VC is volt. Okay, now this is the circuit diagram and observation table of RLC series circuit. Okay, now this is the important concept is here. Then we have to need calculation. Okay, now these are the important formulas it will be needed in this practical, that is RLC circuit. Okay, now here we have to need resistance R. This R is equal to formula voltage across resistance and current flowing through it. Then XL is equal to VL sin phi L upon I. Then that is formula XL is equal to V by I. Same for XC is equal to VC sin phi C I, and measured in capacitive reactance ohm, inductive reactance measured in ohm, the resistance measured in ohm. Then L is equal to XL upon 2 pi F, and this L measured in Henry. Then capacitance C is equal to 1 upon 2 pi Fc, and this capacitance measured in farad. Then L is equal to 2 pi F, inductance measured in Henry. That is XL is equal to 2 pi FL. Then X is equal to 1 upon 2 pi Fc. These are the important parameters need in RLC circuit. Okay, then next parameter is power. Okay, then power formula is here. Then here first formula for power across resistance, that is PR is equal to VR into I. Then VR, that is voltage across resistance, VR is equal to I into R. Then here I into R, then obtain I square into R. It is called as voltage power across resistance. PR is equal to I square into R, and this power measured in watt. Okay, now this is for PR. Then PL is VLI cos phi L. This is important formula is here. Then here PC is equal to VC into I into cos pi C, that is power across capacitor is measured in watt. Then here P is equal to V into I cos pi, and then this power measured in watt. Okay, now this is the important parameter is here. PT is equal to PR plus PL plus PC. Okay, now this is the important formula need in RLC circuit. Okay, then also these are the important procedure it will be needed in RLC circuit, and this is the result table and this is the observation table.